Welcome, here I've got BLUBOO S8 and I'm going to show how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first you have to click on the camera button here to open this up, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more settings. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner, and from here we have to go to the bottom to this icon. When we tap on this we get access to advanced camera settings. And as you can see here we have the geolocation button, so when we tap on this we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works here. And also the important information is that when we really want to save our location of our picture, to make it work correctly we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters. And for now I'm going to keep turning it on to show how it works, and let me take a picture. Now let's go to the preview. So this is our picture, and when we tap on this in the center we get access to the gallery settings, and let's go to more here in the right corner. And as you can see, these are the parameters. When we slide down we have access to the details, and by tapping on this we can see it. And as you can see here we have the location. So greetings from Krakow, that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.